Alright, sewing is done. I've got this pencil marked here. Now I've got to get the Elmer's light glue out. Paper towels. I'll put on disposable gloves. Got to glue all that there. Through there and there. I'll weigh it down with some heavy art and photo books. And when it's completely dry, I'll get the metal screws out and drill bits and screw it in. Buses dots. What is this? Well, I'll pull that out with a needle nose plier. Alright, to be continued. Nice singing, Veggie Wedgies. Very nice, very nice. Good to hear the symphonic, melodious singing along with King Classic Radio on the radio. Alright, thank you. Merci beaucoup. Grazie.